There's a big buzzword that you hear, for example, in retail as a good example, which is omnichannel. There's also phygital, which is another word. Basically the concept of customers that both interact with you on web, mobile, and on stores, if you have them. The reason why that's a big term is because normally users that kind of consume through several means, so online and in-store, they purchase more, they're more loyal, and so on. So that's the concept. But you can go one step beyond, and you can interact, use your phone, for example, which has location, it has Bluetooth, which has a bunch of things, to when you go into the store, give a way better experience to the customer. So think if you're the owner of a top-notch store, Beyonce goes there, or Cristiano Ronaldo, or something like that, they're expected to have like a very VIP treatment. So they're expected when someone is opening the door, they treat you by name, they already were informed of what you're searching for, what you like, and so on. So you're guided into the best experience that they can, because they know you, they know your preferences, and so on. So if you can have the same experience for any common user, so you have their phone, you have their preferences, and so on, they accept it to share with your company on the mobile app. So when they join through Bluetooth or a bunch of other technologies that you can play with, the person opening the door knows your name. He knows what you prefer. He knows that you like to sit by the window, for example, if you are in a coffee shop, or that you like, I don't know, suits, black suits. So they direct you towards that. And the first time so imagine that you're getting into a store and you have that first impact. Hello, Mr. Guilherme. Nice to have you again here. You're probably searching for black suits today, so might I guide you to that part of the store? Kind of, that's a really cool experiment. And is it so hard to do with the means that you have now?
No.
Not really.